Hi, welcome back. This is day 5 of week 1, so Friday on your schedule. Again, Leprechaun's poem, that's right here behind that week 1 divider. If you have not drawn your picture yet, go ahead and do that today. Next, by and word, still our sight words. Like I said, word work choice board behind that sight word divider. Choose a different activity, use those 10 words. If they're easy, pick 10 different. If they're hard, keep working on those. Just make sure to include by and word at least once, maybe twice in whatever word work activity you choose to do. For phonics, we are working on our all word family. So we do want to spell that correctly. So ALL, and don't just stretch that one out because word families, now we're getting into double letters and CK coming up. So we want to be able to spell those the right way. It says make a list of all words, illustrate 2 on a blank piece of paper. You could also add a sentence to that if you wanted to, writing a sentence to go with your picture if you need an extension. I will post a little list of all words just to give you all the ones that I would be giving, but just think of ones on your own. If you don't want to use the list, that's fine. We also say for math, an addition drill practice page. So that's back here behind that slides and letters game you did yesterday. There's an addition drill practice where you're counting the pictures, writing the symbols and the numbers, and then there's also a subtraction drill practice right behind that one. You're welcome to do both of those today, or maybe save the subtraction for a different day if we're feeling overwhelmed. But you're welcome to do both of those today because this is not listed in week 1. So this is just extra practice. Anytime you need an extension, use the back of the page. Write some of your own addition, subtraction problems if that's too easy for you. With writing, if you've already done 2 writing prompts this week, you don't need to do another one. There's not that many in the packet. If you have to use them for 3 weeks, then we need to make sure that we save some of those so that we practice writing weekly, because it's about prolonged exposure and not just getting it all done in 1 week. We need to keep that up. So again, unit study, you're welcome to add any springtime activities you want to do to that, but if you've already done 2, then you're good for the week. If you haven't done writing yet, writing is at the back in front of the sight word flashcards behind the writing prompt page. We have our example here. Make sure you're using because and our writing conventions, capital letter at the beginning, spaces, stretching out words. Don't spell those words for them. The only word I want you to help them with is because, and then any sight words or word family words that they're not sure about. I'm also going to use my document camera and post an example filling out one of these and kind of talk about my thinking. If you need some help or if your child needs some help kind of thinking of how exactly these writing prompts should go. So I'm going to do an example of one of those also. All right. Hope you enjoyed week 1. We missed you guys.